Welcome to today's unboxing and hands-on video of this RV keyless lock. Today, we'll walk you through 4 key parts: unboxing check, product installation, lock code setup, and demos of the 4 unlocking methods. We'll show you every practical step, so you'll know exactly how to use it after watching. First, let's take a look at the product packaging. When you open the box, you'll find all the accessories you need. Besides the main RV keyless lock, we've also included a product manual, a dedicated code setup guide, alkaline batteries, mechanical keys, and a full set of installation parts. No need to buy anything extra. You can start the process right after unboxing. Step 1. We'll first do a quick function check to make sure the lock works properly. Open the battery compartment cover of the lock and insert the 4 alkaline batteries that come in the box. Use the included tool to secure the battery compartment cover tightly. Connect the 2 white circuit connectors on the lock body. After these basic connections, test the lock's core components to make sure there are no functional issues. Once we confirm the lock works normally, we'll simulate a real RV installation scenario. We'll show you how the lock fits on a mock door, so you can see exactly how it looks and fits after installation.
Okay.
Next, let's move to the key part, setting up the lock codes. We'll show you each step in detail, so even beginners can do it easily. 1. Setting a numeric code. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the lock until the blue indicator light turns on. Enter your desired numeric code, then press the lock button to confirm. That's your numeric code setup. 2. Setting up fingerprint access. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the lock again. This time, the indicator light will flash alternately red and blue. Enter the numeric code you just set, then press the lock button to verify. Press the same finger on the fingerprint scanner 5 times to complete the fingerprint registration. Test the fingerprint function right away to make sure it unlocks the lock normally. Three. Restoring factory settings, reset. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the lock until the red indicator light stays on. Enter your current code, then press the unlock button. The lock will reset to factory settings, and you can reconfigure it from scratch. Four. Setting up and connecting the mobile app. Find the QR code for the lock management app in the installation guide that comes in the box. Scan the QR code with your phone to download the app, then register an account and log in. Go to the app's homepage, tap Add Device. Find the model of your RV keyless lock in the device list and select it. Follow the app's prompts to pair the device. After that, you can manage the lock remotely via your phone. Besides the electronic unlocking methods we just showed, mechanical key unlocking is a must-have backup. Now we'll simulate a power-off scenario to demo how to unlock with the mechanical key. Even if the battery dies, you can still open the door easily with the key, so you never have to worry about being locked out with a dead battery. Finally, let's dive into the core advantages of this lock. Material: the entire lock body is made of high-purity zinc alloy die casting. Our tests show its surface hardness is over HV120, which can effectively resist scratches, bumps, and rain corrosion common in RV outdoor use. It won't deform or peel easily even with long-term use, making it perfect for harsh outdoor environments. Unlocking system: it offers 4 unlocking methods: mechanical key, numeric code, fingerprint, and mobile app, and every function meets professional standards. The fingerprint module uses semiconductor biometric technology with a false recognition rate of less than 0.001% and a recognition speed of less than or equal to 0.5 seconds. It can store up to 30 fingerprints. The app remote unlocking uses is 256 encryption transmission, which avoids signal interference. Our tests show the remote response delay is less than 2 seconds, And it also generates real-time unlock logs for easy security tracking. Security performance. It has a grade C snake slot lock cylinder paired with an independent anti-lock mechanism. After closing the door, just turn the anti-lock knob to lock it both inside and out, effectively preventing forced lock-picking. Battery life and emergency backup. It runs on alkaline batteries. 2 AA alkaline batteries can provide up to 150 days, about 5 months, of standby time, which is much longer than the 30 to 60 days of regular locks. There's a DC 5V emergency charging port at the bottom inside the door. If the battery dies, you can connect a power bank to charge it and unlock the door. Detailed design. It has a built-in N20 quiet gear motor with a working voltage of 3.7 V and current of 0.3 A. Its operating noise is less than or equal to 45 decibels, which ensures enough power for unlocking while avoiding noise disturbance during camping. If you like this RV keyless lock, or if you need custom-related products, feel free to leave a comment below. Or you can go to our channel homepage, visit our official website link, or contact us via the provided contact info to get exclusive cooperation discounts.